Hey guys, Joe here, 690 ADV, 690 Garage. Here is your 2 minutes or less tip of the day. Guess what? Today's tip, your chain. Your chain is a very crucial part of your motorcycle. Make sure you take care of it and it'll take care of you. What you definitely want to do is make sure that your chain is lubricated. Look at mine, it looks horrible. I have not done a very good job in the last few months on this chain. Definitely needs some lubrication, probably needs to be cleaned. One thing you definitely want to check is around that sprocket. You want to make sure that it's got lots of lubrication. It's actually pretty dried out on mine. Also right here, I like to check the slack. We're going to talk about that a little bit later on your chain slack. I also like to check this right here. I'll kind of kink it and see if it goes back into place. It is going back into place. It's not holding, so that basically tells me it needs lubrication. So what I want to do is I want to make sure I get good lubrication right there in my counter sprocket. I also want to make sure I get it back here in this sprocket all the way around. So what you're going to want to do is go to either AutoZone, O'Reilly's, get some Engine Bright or any type of degreaser. Go soak it up real good. Take it to a car wash. If you're on your trip, same applies. Go there, clean it real good. Soak it up with some chain lube if you can find some there. Any type of lubricant is going to work. The one thing I do when I'm out on my trips and I'm riding around and I'm basically in the middle of nowhere and I hear my chain snapping and popping, first thing I'm going to do, I have a tank bag. Some bikes basically have either storage here or under that seat. I have a tank bag, so basically in here, WD-40. I always carry WD-40 because I can lube up my chain and basically get myself to that town to get my chain cleaned. So, key to the day, guess what? Keep that chain clean. It's only going to be as good as you take care of it, and that's your 2 minute tip of the day.